She pressed a raw onion over her hand. "I always knew it was good, but not so much. The consumption of this product gives the body a good dose of magnesium, phosphorus, calcium, vitamin C and E, sodium, sulfur and potassium. However, for some time now you are giving a very different use to the onion than simply for the kitchen. Below we will show you some home remedies to be made with onion. These remedies are effective, easy to do and above all economic. But we assure you that you did not know that the onion could serve for these things. When you read them you would be as amazed as we are, and surely if you already had onion in your kitchen, now you are not going to let it ever be in your home. Amazing uses of the onion that you did not know. 1. For burns, cut the onion in half and place in the burned area. The juice of this has analgesic and antiseptic properties, which reduces the risk of infection. 2. For the bites, onions are very useful against mosquito bites. This reduces the swelling caused by the bite and also removes mosquito venom from the bloodstream. 3. Quick ear pain, pick a piece of onion and place it on the outside of your ear. It will be responsible for dissolving the ear canal wax and relieving pain. 4. Fever, cut a slice of onion and place it on your foot. Now put on some socks or socks. This will cause the temperature of your body to go down during the night. 5. Detox cleanser. The onion absorbs and eliminates the bacteria. For its antiseptic properties, chop onion slices and place them in the corners of your home. This will prevent the bacteria from spreading through your home. If you suffer from coughing, put it at the foot of your bed. This will help you sleep at night.